came in hot. Thought I was cool. Was on 2 wheels, you know, and then caught, boom, rolled. Come on.
Hey, you broke it?
Hey guys, how you doing? So today we got a new build, 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000. Yep, we got another one. I don't know, but we like these things. I like them. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that either, you know. Maybe the shock is an extra 6 inches from the factory. I don't know. We'll see. We'll look around the whole thing. This thing's pretty mangled, you know. Door is good, quarter pan is good, you know, the driver's side, as long as the door closes and shuts, that's all we need. Rear end is good, all that's good, you know. It's not all about what it looks like, it's what's on the inside, you know. This is all easy work. I'm gonna look for a new cage. There's a lot of people who have KRXs that go with aftermarket cages, so they change it up. But here is the main damage. I think it fell on the side. Suspension blew out, just similar to the other one that we had. These are like flimsy little things, they just pop right out. Control arm's still good, you know. May need to get heated up and bent out, but brake line looks a little tight. But nothing, no frame damage. There's water in the coolant. Radiators are good. Same thing with this. See how cheaply this made? I don't know if it's supposed to break this easy, but see, it just came out from this side, popped right out. But I'm just gonna jack it up, shove it back in there, weld these back in. Shock's still good, but another thing is there's no key, so let's see if I can hot wire it. I'm gonna take off the ignition and see if we can get some power to this thing and get it started. Got this thing situated. Hold it up, heat it up. Only bad thing is this spindle's cracked, so it's pretty. The only way we can drive it is if we get the parts off the green one. Swap out the spindle. I already ordered a new spindle for this thing. It was like 90 bucks, but everything else is good. Rear end is good. It's good. Everything sits good. It's just that spindle's cracked and it shakes like crazy, the hole like this. So if we want to drive it tomorrow, we need to get the parts from the green one, swap spindles, and then we can put the spindle back and just pop this out. Hey guys, so we got this bad boy going. We got me and Nate coming to work, and I don't know why he's taking everything apart, so he does. He just likes doing both. But like I already told you, 21 KRX, but we gotta do some little bit of modifications. As you can tell, we have the whole knee assembly taken apart. We had to kind of slap some JB weld on here. So
look at that,
JB weld.
perfect.
Temporarily, we got a new one coming in, but we ain't got time. We gotta be mobbing because the green one's motor blown. You know, what's the best way than just to be riding a new one? Yeah, we're gonna put that in, put the wheel back on. Nate's in the back. He's actually just taking it apart. For some reason, I think the spark is not. It runs, but it runs really weird. So it sounds like it's misfiring and a lot of clicking. So we pull the spark plugs out, see what's going on. So we got this thing loaded up. Took it to shop. We're gonna be pulling this out. Roll cage blew up. We got the suspension back in there, so it's running. We got a little problem here, a little tire deflation, but she starts up everything. We fixed that coil pack issue. No tail lights. Nobody needs to see our rear end anyways. We flying. Like I said, all that matters is the driver door open and closed, minty. A lot of plastics in here, flares. We'll try to mock them up as best we can. But overall, we're gonna be sending it today. Pull out this part of the roll cage so we can bog deep. We'll send some videos. All right, we're gonna be pulling this out with the bucket. Redneck engineering right here. Who needs a frame machine when you got a tractor? Hold up, Nate. It's a good mirror. Sida. First test, baby. Done. Shut it off! Hey, come on.
Hey, you broke it?
Axle's busted. Nate goes a little too hard, huh?
I didn't go.
You gotta flip this over. So, things like this happen all the time, baby. We tiller the dirt though. We can plant some seed now. But no, this is what happens when you think you're cool. You think you can run fast. You know, split second and boom, you're upside down completely. Completely rolled this thing. Came in hot, floored it, caught the curb, went on two wheels, boom, and flipped all the way over. Went like this, like a cut all the way into here and flipped. See, here's the roll cage. Caught right here, look. I already have the marks. Came in hot. Thought I was cool. Was on two wheels, you know, and then caught, boom, rolled. And rolled it up on here. You know, this is why things like these go on Copart. But nevertheless, let's assess the damage. First things first, we got axle blown out. Yep, axle. When we're waiting on to come through with the tractor, he's zooming. He's coming to get us. Other than that, we're good. Gonna flip it over, let it sit straight a little bit. Oh, where we just pulled it out, it bent right back. So we need to buy a new roll cage or something, or don't do nothing dumb like this. Yes, sir. Having a good old time. Fast. Dang, boys, we having too much fun out here. Oh my. Dang, son, went right back to its original spot. I like that. We got our backup coming through. He going the wrong way. Gotta go that way.
You have to go that way.
You're like a foot in the ground. You're a foot in the ground. It's alright, you're gonna have to pull them out too. Nothing's spinning. Oh, your lockers. Ah, Ford. Oh, Ford, baby. That's a Ford for you have to get out your truck to lock your lockers. Easy work.
Alright, backyard bogging out here again. You can see we're already bogging a little bit too hard. Now this time, it wasn't my fault. This is a cameraman special.
Cameraman special. Oh, yeah. We finally figured out this thing. The speed sensor up front was not allowing this car to go full powers, kicking it into lip notes. So I just disconnected all the speed sensors so the speedometer is 0, but RPMs go to 9,000. So this thing rips good. We were ripping it nonstop, and then 5 minutes later, it is your fault. You're the one that put the suspension together. You did this one. Nah, that was both of our faults. We need to just not C-clip that in there. We just need to weld that in there, because this is the new axle that we got in here, and
from the wreck.
Yeah,
this is where it was from.
So we got to figure out what we're gonna do. How we're gonna pick up this huge hill, get it to the shop. But that's what we do here. We rip it.